HTML, inserting audio. In this video, we will explain how to insert audio into an HTML web page. We will provide a step-by-step guide along with HTML code examples to help you understand the process. Step 1. Prepare the audio file. Before inserting audio into a web page, you need to ensure that you have an audio file in a compatible format. Common audio file formats include MP3, WAV, and OGG. Make sure the audio file you have is in one of these formats. Step 2. Create the HTML structure. To embed audio into an HTML page, you need to use the audio element. The audio tag is a HTML element that allows you to insert audio files into your web page. You can use the src attribute to specify the URL of the audio file, or you can use the source tag inside the audio tag. Here's an example of the HTML structure. In the above code, replace path/ to /audio/ file, MP3, with the actual path to your audio file. The controls attribute enables the default audio controls, such as play, pause, and volume control note. You can also add some text inside the tag to display a message for browsers that do not support the audio element. Formats and sources. Not all browsers support the same audio formats, so it is important to provide multiple audio sources for your web page. The most common audio formats for the web are MP3, OGG, and WAV. You can use the type attribute in the source tag to specify the MIME type of the audio file, such as audio MPEG for MP3, audio OGG for OGG, and audio WAVEV for WAV. Thank you for watching. Keep learning!